Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So in today's video, i-share ko naman sa inyo yung stay namin sa Nobu Hotel. Dito yan sa City of Dreams, Manila. Actually, few months ago na ito. So, ayun, magkakaroon tayo ng room tour and kung ano yung experience namin. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Our room dito sa Nobu Hotel. So, i-tutor ko kayo. Tara, pasok. So, tara, i-check na natin yung room. Okay. So, as you could see, ang daming windows. Itong room nga pala na to is, ano siya, city view. Dito, meron tayong king size bed. Na ang ganda, sobrang buot. And then, dito sa isang side, meron parang mahabang side table na may telephone, lampshade, and so on. And then, meron din tayong maliit na sofa dito. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo relax, kakain, in-room dining, maganda rito. While enjoying the view outside. Check natin yung view from the outside. Ayan. Sabi ko nga, diba, this is city view. Ayan. Buksan natin yung mga blinds para pumasok yung liwanag. This is the view of Ross Boulevard. So, yung room namin is facing Ross Boulevard. Yan. So, from here, makikita mo na yung as far as Makati. And then, I think, dun yung part ng airport. Ayan, no, nakikita ko yung mga plane ng Cebu Pacific. So, yun. Ayan. Dito naman sa kabilang side, eto naman, view naman to nung kabilang hotel. As you know, itong City of Dreams, hindi lang Nobu yung hotel dito. Meron din iba pang hotel such as Hyatt Hotel. So I think this one is Hyatt Hotel. Itong side na to. Yan. Diba? Ang maganda dito sa room na to is, ayan nga, ang daming windows. So, merong windows dito, may windows doon. Ayan, sobrang liwanag talaga. Papasok talaga yung liwanag dahil sa dami ng windows. And then, as we know, parang ang Nobu is a Japanese brand. Diba, ang ganda nung parang mural niya rito sa may headboard. Dito sa side na to. So, pag nakita mo yung painting na yan or yung mural na yan, you know it's Nobu. Ito naman sa kabilang side, mayroon ulit side table. Check natin. So meron siyang flashlight for emergency use. And then clock na I think this one is yung parang yung clock na nagpo-function din siya as speaker. And for iPhone and other devices. Siguro meron siyang parang Bluetooth speaker and alarm clock. Facing the bed is itong napakahabang table na to, which also serves as a workstation. So if you're someone na habang nag-staycation or nagbabakasyon, nagche-check-in sa hotel, gusto mong mag-work pa rin or something came up na kailangan mong mag-work dito, and you have a very nice view of the outside. Then may telephone din, some papers and pen, tissue, and then this huge television set. Ang ganda ng resolution. Ano to? LG siya. So for me, pag sinabi mong Nobu, ang naiisip ko lagi is Japan because it's a Japanese brand. I think it's a Japanese brand. So, as you could see sa mga photos na nandito, meron tayong Mount Fuji, then some bamboo, and parang this is autumn foliage, and so on. And then, here naman is the mini bar. So, dito sa mini bar, we have complimentary snacks, as well as a coffee maker, and then some complimentary water. In fairness, hindi sila madamot sa water. We have 4, I think this is 1 liter each, for 1 liter na bottle. So, ang maganda rin naman dito is very eco-friendly kasi they use bottles na I think nire-refill na lang nila. And hindi sila gumagamit masyado ng mga disposable na mga maliliit na bottles na for water. Okay, so here naman, as you could see, merong mga glasses, some coffee, tea, and sugar. So if you want to create your own coffee, pwede dito. So dito, meron tayong electric kettle. So yun, if you want to mix your own coffee, pwede dyan. So here naman, we have the mini ref. Check natin kung anong laman. So yan. So we have soft drinks, beer, pineapple juice, and Vita Coco. So all these complimentary drinks and snacks are all for free. Kaya nga complimentary. But diba, sabi sa ibang hotels when you check in, yung laman ng minibar you have to pay. But here, kasama na siya dun sa mga binayaran mo. So it's all complimentary. Now naman, check naman natin tong cabinets. Okay, so yan. Ito yung laman ng cabinets. Meron tayong bathrobe. And then, meron tayong ironing board. And syempre, plancha. So, meron ding slippers. What else? Wala na itong laman. This one, wala rin. And then, this box. So, wala. Some hangers para if you want to hang your clothes. Napaka-spacious nung cabinet. Check naman natin yung toilet and bath. Okay. So this is the sink. Napakaganda ng sink nila, napakalalim. And then with this huge mirror. Ito yung gusto ko talaga sa mga mirror sa hotels. This one, yung merong ilaw kasi sobrang ganda. Kitang-kitang mo yung liwanag talaga. On this side naman is yung mga towels. And then here, meron tayong, this one is hair dryer. Okay, some toiletries, dental kits, and vanity kits. Meron din tayong window. So yan. Meron din diyang window. So, it makes yung space more spacious. Parang ganun. And then, this one is body balm. I think it's lotion. And then, here naman is the toilet with bidet. Ganda ng shower area nila kasi merong parang bench. So, siguro this one is lagayan din ng toiletries. Included na dito sa toiletries, may bath gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Hindi rin siya yung disposable. Very eco-friendly. Here naman is the shower with hot and cold shower feature.
Now naman, let me take you on a tour sa kanilang swimming pool. So, yung swimming pool nila is medyo maliit lang, which is yung para sa Nobu Hotel. But it is surrounded by greeneries. Kaya masarap din mamasyal dito. Kasi ang daming pwedeng lakaran na gardens. And yung view talaga ng City of Dreams Manila is sobrang ganda. So ayan, lakad-lakad lang kami dito while enjoying the greeneries at yung napakagandang view ng hotels dito sa City of Dreams Manila. So, located ang Nobu Hotel sa loob ng City of Dreams, Manila. It is an integrated resort and casino na marami pa rin kayong mapupuntahan at marami ring mga restaurants na ino-offer dito. So, katulad niya, merong Dream Play which is para sa mga kids. And then, marami ring mga restaurants dito na nagsaserve ng iba't ibang dishes from Japanese to Korean to Italian. So yeah, merong hot pot, merong mga pizza, and they even have a Starbucks inside. Also, marami rin mga shops dito na pwede kayong mag-shopping. Merong Coach, merong Power Max Center, and so on. And so, the following day naman, in-enjoy namin yung breakfast buffet sa Nobu Hotel. So, yung booking namin is included na yung buffet breakfast for 2. So, yan. Maraming dishes na included dun sa breakfast buffet. May mga meats, veggies, even mga cereals, and so on. The usual breakfast sa mga hotels. So, may mga noodles din, mga salads, and mga breads. Ako, super na-enjoy ko talaga dito yung mga breads. Dito sa breakfast buffet nila, it's not that huge, pero carefully selected yung mga dishes. And then yun, tinry lang namin yung mga gusto namin and hindi kami masyadong nagpakabusog. Pero, ang masasuggest ko talaga sa inyo is enjoyin nyo yung mga breads kasi masarap yung mga breads nila. And then the omelette, yung paggawa kayo ng omelette kasi masarap din yung pagkakagawa nila ng omelette. Also, yung mga fruit juices nila, very good din. Try nyo rin siya. And also, syempre, hindi mawawala yung mga fresh fruits sa mga buffet. And also, highly commendable yung service ng staff nila. Very personalized. And lagi silang ready to serve yung mga requests ng guests. So, after na mag-breakfast, we decided na mag-stay na lang sa loob ng room to rest and enjoy yung mga facilities inside since maulan sa labas. So, yung kung gusto nyo mag-book dito sa Nobu Hotel Manila, I highly recommend booking it via Klook. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description below para makapag-book kayo. So, yun. Thank you for watching and happy travels!